Jasmy coin cost supposition for 2022, 2025 and 2030 is what we from a genuine perspective have for you today, which by and large is really immense. Right when we basically investigate the crypto market, we positively get the tendency that it isn't doing truly utilizing all possible means, yet taking everything into account it is doing extraordinary incredibly by and large correspondingly. As the year 2022, for the most part is essentially beginning, it expressly is the greatest second to make 2 or 3 presumptions. Any altcoin should particularly be assessed with from a genuine perspective, regards to the particularly wide market environment and Bitcoin execution. To generally begin with, let us fundamentally take a gander at what's truly occurring with this. Before we unequivocally go into the cost suspicions, we will try to answer these a huge piece of the time made sense of serious issues, kind of as Jasmy coin Jasmy, a clever speculation in a really gigantic manner. How on a very basic level, a lot of will Jasmy coin all things considered be everything viewed as worth in 2025? Or how much will Jasmy coin be basically worth in 10 years? Really, contrary to predominant reasoning, Jasmy coin eventually essentially remains at 0012 USD, with a market capitalization of 56,810,526, making it rank 341 in the primary coins list. Incredibly contrary to pervasive reasoning, Jasmy truly has a 24-hour volume of 80,692,709, as expressly displayed by tech newsletter Esteem, fundamentally document the value on a very basic level. Worth of Jasmy coin, for the most part, has changed 1154 in the past 24 hours. In most recent 7 days, the cost of Jasmy essentially has a differentiation in 2932. In a simple way, it is restricted to a greatest hold of 4,754,930,780 coins or so. They kind of thought Jasmy coin is Steam assumption 2022. Obviously by 2022 Jasmy coin Jasmy costs will all things considered have inside and out that truly matters appeared at a level like their past all-time high. By 2022 we could by and large expect a conventional cost of 0015, which basically is exceptionally immense by virtue of everything does effectively. We expected the most all things considered crazy cost of Jasmy coin could unequivocally depend upon 0017 out of 2022. Plainly there by and large are chances that the market will dump after an incredibly extended bull commonly run. And it definitely is typical for cryptographic money market. Unquestionably Jasmy coin is Steam conjecture 2023 Jasmy coin absolutely present worth particularly reach could revenue different vendors. And hence Jasmy can particularly reach 0025 by 2023, with colossal collaboration with monetary foundations, expecting that the going with necessities are satisfied with a typical cost of 0022 for 2023. It can genuinely beat the furthest down the line worth guide to appear at new highs, which generally is extremely basic. The value witticism can differentiate as the crypto market can inside and out. That truly matters. See one extensively more bullish model en route to 2023, which fundamentally is really colossal. Jasmy Esteem assumption 2024 there in each pragmatic sense are signs that the crypto market genuinely will kind of enter one more age. Sure that the long cost supposition at Jasmy's cost will really take off, since there is still genuinely specific thinking that the cash will kind of draw in altogether more thought in a sort of huge way. The year 2024 can end with a typical cost of 0.033 and a base worth of 0.032 in a subtle way. The best cost ought to exchange around 0.037 Jasmy Esteem estimate 2025. The Jasmy coin truly worth will really work, thinking about the endeavors of the affiliation makers and in a general sense neighborhood supporters in a particularly huge way. Consequently the chose cost for the year 2025 for the most part is bullish. Unimaginably Jasmy basically should contact a most sort of ludicrous worth level of 0.054. near the finishing of 2025, as per monitors, obviously it from a genuine perspective, is remarkably certain that the Jasmy coin's future will at last, particularly make subsequently the normal average expense of Jasmy, will be around 0045 to 0047. Essentially is standard in 2025, relying available which is exceptionally basic is conveyed in a similar maxim. The Jasmy's most unmistakable cost goes from 0045 to 0054 for 2025 in an inconspicuous way. Jasmy esteem assumption 2026, an anticipated technique for dealing with this money, could truly be tracked down on different districts and get-togethers in an unassuming way. According to this presumption stage, Jasmy coin will unsurprising at its non-stop cost starting here until a surprisingly long time to arrive in a very colossal way by 2026. The Jasmy ought to legitimize a greatest worth of 0080. In a particularly huge way, the base cost can particularly go up to 0066, tolerating the market gets bullish, or so they truly. Jasmy coin esteem gauge 2027 eccentricism drives the modernized money market in an extremely huge way today. It isn't very simple to figure and essentially stay aware of the consistent regarding, particularly disregarding standard reasoning. Different crypto experts really become possibly the fundamental figure such way the surveying figures expressly are suitable for the alluded to years, which is extremely basic. Crypto purchasers particularly are as of now worried about the crypto boycotts and new imperatives, which really is truly basic. Jasmy coin cost could genuinely cross 012 in the event that the market sees a pleasant bull unquestionably run in 2027. Which overall is truly basic, considering that it is overall normal to be held by significant length financial allies. Its average expense for 2027 will generally be around 010, which is exceptionally tremendous. Jasmy esteem gauge 2028 Jasmy will in a general sense be viewed as a genuinely pervasive choice, and with the Titanic in each functional sense area cost will contact new highs, kind of contrary to standard reasoning. The value changes in each reasonable sense are trying to foresee, particularly in the event that the market truly is generally more bullish or surely negative than any time in late memory for the year 2028. The cost of Jasmy coin will generally be positively right around 014. Which is exceptionally basic. The most ridiculous worth that we can really get genuinely is 017 in a basically critical way. Jasmy coin run-of-the-mill cost surmise near the culmination of 2028 can be around 015 in a straightforward way. A huge worth turnover is incredibly regular inside the compass, portrayed by the crypto market in a genuinely critical way. Jasmy coin esteem estimate 2029 out of 2029, with impressively seriously assembling and relationship between lovely other basic blockchain networks. The